Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to apply falsies. So let's get started. So these are the four kind of lashes that I have found in the market. The first one being the lashes with a very thin lash band. Now these can be a little bit tricky to apply because they do not have that proper base. They are pretty much very flimsy, but they are very natural looking. So in the later stage, once you applied false lashes and you've learned it, I think this is going to be very easy to apply. The second kind of lashes are the lashes which have a little bit of a thicker lash band but not very thick. It's somewhere in the middle, and these are the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. These are my favorite lashes to apply. They're very easy and they're very comfortable. Then comes the lashes with a very thick lash band. Now this is a pain to apply, guys, and they feel so heavy, so I prefer not to apply these lashes. But if you guys like super dramatic lashes, y'all can totally try them out, but for beginners I wouldn't suggest that. Start off with the Huda Beauty or these lashes. These are the Glowmeire lashes, and I absolutely love Glowmeire lashes. They're pretty much very similar to the Huda Beauty lashes. So these are a new pair of lashes, and as you guys can see, some lashes come with glue stuck on it, so you want to make sure that you remove the glue. The best and the easiest way to remove glue is to hold the lashes flat with your thumb and your index finger and just tweeze out the glue very gently. And new pair of lashes are a little bit longer because everyone has a different eye shape and the length of their eyelids are different. So for me, as you guys could see, these were a little bit longer, so I end up cutting them from behind. You want to make sure that you cut your lashes from the behind, and some of them have extra lash bands, so just make sure that you cut that as well so that it does not poke you in the eye. And then you want to make sure that you're applying a lash duo. I love this duo. They stick my lashes and my lashes just do not budge, and I apply a very thin layer of this glue, this much, as you guys can see. So I let the glue dry for a minute or two, or until it becomes a little bit transparent, and by the time the glue is drying, I like to apply mascara to my lashes. Now mascara is a very important step that makes your eyelashes blend with the falsies. The next thing, you want to make sure that you have a hand mirror and you're placing the mirror right below. You do not want to place it straight, you do not want to place it above, you want to place it right below where you can see your lash band from below, and you want to make sure that you're applying your eyelashes from the upward direction. You do not want to go straight, and you want to make sure that you place your eyelashes first right in the middle, and then you stick the edges first, the outer corner and then the inner corner. This is like a super easy technique, and trust me guys, once you've done this, you are pretty much done and your eyelashes are almost applied. And then the next step is to just press your natural lashes along with the falsies and make sure they are well blended. Then comes the finishing touches. You want to take a black kajal and just hide your lash line, and that's gonna make your eyelashes blend way easier. And if you have glue stuck to your lash line, make sure that you hide that as well. I usually take a brown or a black eyeshadow and I just apply it directly on my lash line so that it looks way more natural. So voila, your lashes are applied. I hope you guys like this video. If you all did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.